Hey, what's up everyone? Have you heard Facebook recently launched a new feature which is called odd effect? So if you don't know how to use that, I'm going to show you how to use that effect and get more fun in your conversation. So for experiencing that, first you have to open your messenger and go to any conversation that use this effect. So suppose I'm going to this conversation, and after that go to this conversation menu. From here you can easily see this option which is called odd effects. So first go there. Here you can type any word with a emoji. So like I'm writing a word star, and from here I'm selecting a word, this word star for emoji. This is, here is that star emoji, and upload there. So by adding this word effect with a star, the next time I'm going to write a star in this conversation, there will be this star effect, which is really nice. And not only that, if I add a more effect, I can add as more as I can or want to. There are a lot of options. Like I'm using another word like a sun. From here I'm selecting an emoji. Alright, so next time I'm using that sun word in this conversation, there will be that effect. But if I use both words like star and sun, you can see that all emojis together. And this floating emoji effect is really amazing when you are like making conversation with someone, either special persons or anyone, and you can select these words with emojis as much as you can or want to, and this way you can really get more fun in your Facebook Messenger conversations. And like if you don't want any odd effect or like want to delete that effect, you can delete that. From that odd effect option, you can tap and hold on there, and you can see this remove option. So by removing that odd effects will be deleted. And this is the new messenger feature of like September. And not only that, there's more themes like this. J-Velving is one of my favorite theme right now. It even supports dark mode. Like this is the light mode options, but if I enable this dark mode, you can see it even looks more amazing. And that's all about this video. Hit the like or comment below what you like, if you like this or not, or do you really think this is a good features that really makes fun to use in Messenger, or comment below in your opinion. Hit the subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm oheduzzamanx, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.